Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Salo. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and also share this video. So Leeroy Sidambe went onto his Instagram to thank all those who wished him a happy birthday and those who attended his birthday, which was organized by his girlfriend Mihlali. He wrote this on his Instagram and said, "Thank you so much to all of you who wished me a happy birthday. I honestly was not expecting that. I'm being totally truthful when I say that each and every message brought a smile to my face and made my day that much more special. A special thank you to you, Umamake. Love this day would have never been as special at Mihlali M." Mihlali reposted Leeroy's message and replying by saying, "Nomayini Pagatelam." Now, him calling Mihlali Umamake has raised a lot of questions and speculations as people are alleging that maybe Mihlali is pregnant, which is why Leeroy referred to her as Umamake. Now, guys, please help me out here. What is the definition of Umamake? Because it seems like we all have a different definition of the word. Please do share your thoughts on what you think Leeroy meant. And also, do you think that Mihlali is pregnant? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Also, subscribe if you have not yet done so. I shall definitely see you on my next upload. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.